Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you might be, whenever you might be. Welcome back to Sparks Auto Detail YouTube channel. Today we've got a 2012 Ford Taurus. This is one of our cars. We wanted to test out some new products that we picked up. Wanted to kind of give them a test run before we deploy any of the stuff on customer vehicles. So today we're just going to be giving this an exterior wash and trying out some of these new products. You might notice some of the imperfections in the paint on this car. It's got some rock chips on the front and on the side mirrors. We've had this car for a while, but we are right in the middle of harvest season. As you can see, this car is really dusty and dirty. So we wanted to give it an exterior wash and try out some of these new products. We have some links in the description to some of the various products and the tools that we use. If there's anything specific you have questions about, please drop us a comment or connect with us on one of our social media platforms. We're always here to try to help and answer questions if we can. Hope you enjoy this type of content. We want to thank all our new subscribers for joining us. We really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy this type of content, please consider liking and subscribing. We really appreciate it, and it's been fun watching this channel grow. We are winding down our season. The summer obviously is ending here soon, and we're going to lose weather as we detail mainly outside. So some of the videos that we will be uploading in the future may just be product reviews and things like that. So hopefully you stay tuned, and hopefully we'll have some good content for you guys soon. So appreciate it. And again, enjoy this video. We really appreciate everybody for connecting with us.